Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. Stellar has recently broken down the support of a rising wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. Previously, I was showing you this breakout from the falling wedge pattern, and after that, we had a nice pump where the price and broke down the support of a rising wedge pattern. And the technical target for the breakdown from this wedge, I was telling you was here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at 40 cents. And you can see that the price line dropped more than that, and now it is recovered back. And by the way, at 40 cents, we have a quite strong and long-term support that was already working as a support here for a few days ago. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible to you. You can see that this 40 cents had been previously working as a resistance here for several weeks a month. And therefore now it can work as a strong support for the price line. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And this time, I would also like to share with you a very long-term trade setup that Stellar has confirmed on a monthly time frame chart. You can see that this is almost a descending triangle, an ascending triangle, not a descending triangle. We have this resistance, by the way. This resistance is slightly moving to the downside, not the horizontal resistance, but slightly moving down. And here we have this uptrend line support, and now the movement is getting squeezed. And after this rejection, this resistance is now confirmed. Previously, we had 1 and 2 rejection points. Now we have 3, and this is the 4th rejection point. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that on the 7 days, we have 1, 2, 3. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have several touch points at resistance. And now, after this rejection, the price is dropped down at this long-term support of 40 cents. And for example, if the price then breaks it down, then we have another quite long-term support here at 25 cents. That is a complete support zone. Starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again a very long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That was a quite long-term trade signal that Stellar found on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 400% very, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup of YGG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 18th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's start analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That was a quite long-term trade signal that was formed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. This was a very big bullish candle pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone. And here, really, the sell target zone and moved up to 63.7 cents. And so far, it has pumped more than 400%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here, previously, I was showing you a breakout from a falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump. The technical target for this breakout that I was telling you was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. And you can see that the price then moved up to 60 cents. We were very close to hit that target where the price then formed this bearish fast move. That was a rising wedge pattern and broken down. And the target was here at 40 cents. And the price then moved slightly down than this support of 40 cents, this target of 40 cents, and recovered back. And by the way, at 40 cents, we also have a quite long-term support as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 40 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks a month, and therefore now it can, in fact, it is working as a very, very nice support. For example, if the price then breaks it down, then we will have a complete support line here that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. If I highlight this area, then it will be more visible to you. You can see that previously it had been working as support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here, and support zone here. And after the breakdown, since after the month of January 2022, it is flipped into it. It was flipped into a resistance zone. We got rejection here. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that before the breakout here on 16 and 18, and after that on 19th of November 2023, we got a few rejection, and finally the price end broke out this resistance zone, and now again it can be flipped into a long-term support zone for the price line of Stellar. And now if we take a look at this 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern. And for the past several months, even for the past 2 years, I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern, and I've been telling you that once Stellar will be able to break it out, then we can expect a massive rally, and the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 80 cents to $1, and you can see that the price line is about to hit that target. And now if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart, this is a quite long-term trade setup. And here you can see that we have found a slightly down trendline resistance. Like we found the resistance here in the month of January 2018. We got rejection here in the month of May 2021. Then we got 2 more rejections here. Recently, we got on 1st of November. Then recently, we got another rejection. And now the price is moving down. At this time, we are moving at this long-term support of 40 cents. Now, for example, if the price breaks it down, then again, it can drop down at this support of 25 cents, support zone of 25 to 27 cents. And for example, if the price breaks down this support, then it can test this uptrend line support. This is a very long-term uptrend line support that is coming from the month of July 2017. We have several touch points here. Then we had another bounce here and a few more touch points here. Then we had a very, very nice bounce. And this time, if the price drops down here, then it can test the support somewhere here 10 to 11 cents. But before that, we need to keep an eye on these 2 support levels. One will be at 40 cents. Another one will be 25 to 27 cent support level, a complete support zone. Now, for example, if the price breaks out this resistance of this ascending triangle, by the way, this is a very long-term trade setup that I'm showing you. This is the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, it can take some time, or months or years, in fact. And the technical target after the breakout will be here. That can be somewhere between 40 cents to $40, not 40 cents, $40 to $50. That will be a quite long-term trade signal, I would like to tell you again. But this is the technical target in case the price breaks out the resistance of this ascending triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.